Okay folks, this is a project I've been meaning to show you guys for a while. It's probably been about 6 years ago that I finished it, back when I was in welding class. Parker McMullin helped me do this. Basically, if you look at it from the side, in the middle right there, there's two pieces that was at the top, and so it only went down three flights of stairs. It didn't go down the full 6 or 7, whatever that is. And anyhow, this is my aunt's house, and my mom asked me to see if I could figure out something to do to make a full handrail to go all the way down. What I did is I come up here on a weekend and I laid a 1x4 that was about 10 foot long on the step, and then I would cut and make a foot everywhere I wanted a foot. And this is how I come up with the ideas for the feet. Now these are concrete screws. You have to drill into the concrete. You can see that one broke. But 1 1/4 pipe, 1 1/4 pipe. I used 2 right there because it was to the 2 edges joined, and you can see how we stitch welded that all the way up. We combined the piece right there. And if you remember, this is called a ram's tongue, and we cut one off. There was one of these that was up here, and we cut it off and put it up there. Now I know this is leaning at an angle, but I mean, look, I'm shaking it, and each one of these pads has 4 of these concrete screws in there. 4, 8, 12, 16. And the reason why I've got them shimmed up like that is that they went as far as they could go, and then I needed to shim them up. And you notice that I'm shaking it, and there's no movement in it. That's me moving. But we smoothed all this out, stitched all that up. Parker McMullin, and teacher let us he let us bring projects in, and we got a good grade on this. But anyhow, you can see I stepped it out that way she could put planters right there, and there's more in the center for you to grab and go up to the house. See, and it was from there to the door, and that was another reason why I kind of pushed it over like that. But worked out really good. So if you guys got any leftover railings like that, you could reuse them. You know, that one, hurricane wouldn't take it out. But anyhow, Parker, thanks for your help, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.